Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a draw.io in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come to the left-hand panel, click on Apps, click on Explore Apps, and here you'll get a search bar, and I want you to just type in a draw.io, and you should see it right here as well, one of the first ones. If you don't, of course, you can search it up. For example, like this, draw.io, you can click on this one. Now, what I want you to do is download this one right here. It has the most downloads, and you just click here. This is by draw.io themselves. As you can see right here, it will be mentioned. And then I want you to just click on try it for free. Then you just select a site which you want to install this on. I only have one, so I'll install it on this one right here. You can select an edition. Okay. Then you click on review. And after that, as you can see, it is being added. And in a few seconds, you'll see a notification that it has been installed. As you can see, it has been installed. And then what you can do is go to any of your spaces and open up any page. Let's say this one right here. And then all you need to do is go ahead and type in / for elements. So let's come here and edit this. So we'll type in a / okay, and then type in a draw. Now we get three options. A draw.io diagram, you insert a new diagram, you insert a new draw.io board, or you can embed an existing diagram. So just choose the option that is applicable for you, and then you can proceed from there. But that is how to add draw.io in Confluence.